Now let me give you an example of the part of the business plan that talks about the company progress, and it's a very brief section of the business plan. In my case, I say when it was founded, so that the person knows, hey, is this like is this guy a dreamer? Has he or has he already started? Like, is he, are the numbers real or not? Um, and I talked about the growth year over year in the beginning. I talked about the slowdown in growth last year due to saturation on on Android, and lack of growth on iPhone. Next year, focusing on iPhone growth, right? So the reader gets a sense of where the business really is at the moment. I have over 1 million downloads, and because of privacy, I don't really disclose my finances. So I gave this relatively round number as revenue last year, so that the person knows, hey, it's a real business. And that's really it. There's no magic here. I think if you want to impress someone, I think you want to uh, really make these numbers look more attractive. I would kind of, this part where the business growth slowed down, it's the business is still growing. Just the rate of growth has slowed, and you want to maybe make that look a little nicer and make it look like next year is going to get back on track and all that sort of stuff. And maybe to do that, you could talk about the growth of the actual market, so that the actual opportunity will become so much bigger, and so there will be more room to grow, and you'll catch up, all that stuff. So you can dress it up. But if you're just planning for yourself, or then you don't need to really dress it up. Then you don't even really need the section if it's for yourself. This is really for another reader. So give them clarity on where you are, and it's really simple. So that's it for this section.